Welcome! In this quick walkthrough, I'll show you a handy workaround for centering text in Notion using block equations. First, highlight the text you want to center. Then click the 6-dot menu icon that appears to access more formatting options. From the menu that opens up, we'll click on Turn Into to see what block types are available. Here's the trick. Choose Block Equation from the list. This converts your text into a math block, which Notion automatically centers on the page. Now click directly on your newly created block equation to enter edit mode. You can customize the appearance using KaTeX formatting commands. For example, add \large to increase the font size, or use tildes to create spacing between words. Once you're happy with how it looks, just click Done to save your changes. And there you have it. Your text is now beautifully centered and formatted exactly how you want it. That's all there is to it. You now know how to center text in Notion using the block equation method. Feel free to run through this again anytime.